Joining us live from the Armenian capital, Yerevan, on the phone. Evening to you, William. Tell us a little more, if you would, about what's happening on the ceasefire line there.
Well, indeed, according to the Armenian Ministry of Defense and the Foreign Ministry, the Azeri forces used heavy armor to shell the Armenian positions on their side of the ceasefire line in the disputed territory of Nagorno-Karabakh. The Ministry of Defense said at 5 p.m. local time that one Armenian was killed in the firing, along with several injured, and that 2 Azeri soldiers had died. That was the first confirmation, according to the Armenians, of casualties that we've got. The Armenian Foreign Minister Vardan Oskanian held a press conference earlier where he accused the Azerbaijanis of violating the ceasefire using heavy armor. And of course, we have to remember that this ceasefire line is extremely volatile. Shots are fired on an almost daily basis, and casualties are not uncommon. However, the Foreign Minister of Armenia said that this incident was on a different scale. He said that the use of heavy armor made this a totally different type of incident, and he also said that the Azeris had made a very serious encroachment into Armenian-controlled territory. He immediately demanded that the Azeris stop, as he called it, hostilities and to return to the truce. This is all we know so far. We have no independent way of confirming whether this is more serious than usual or whether this is just a run-of-the-mill hostilities which do exist and is very volatile and very sensitive disputed territory of Nagorno-Karabakh.
William, have the Azerbaijani side said anything? Have they given any explanations? And indeed, can you give us a bit of quick background to the long-running tensions between Azerbaijan and Armenia?
Well, yes, certainly the Azerbaijanis have indeed responded. Whereas the Armenians say that the shootout is now over, the Azerbaijanis claim that it's still going on. Recently, just in the last hour, Leader TV, which is the most popular TV channel in Azerbaijan, reported that 3 Azeris were dead, along with several injured. They also categorically denied the use of heavy armor, and they said that there was no incursion. The Azeris accused the Armenians, who have, after all, just undergone their worst ever civil unrest since independence here in Yerevan. There's a state of emergency in Yerevan after police clashed with demonstrators, leaving 8 dead. The Azeris accuse the Armenians of trying to deflect attention from the civil unrest at home onto the old enemy of Azerbaijan. They say that the Azeris says they would never use internal strife in Armenia as an excuse to start hostilities, and they're accusing the Armenians of looking for an external enemy. Of course, we have to remember that this conflict has been going on for almost 20 years now. Nagorno-Karabakh is officially an internationally recognized part of Azerbaijan, but it was populated mainly by ethnic Armenians. They started to attempt to break away from Azerbaijan and join Armenia in the late 80s. This broke out into an open, full-scale and very bloody conflict in the early 90s, which claimed tens of thousands of lives on either side, and only ended with a very shaky ceasefire in 1994. Now, Nagorno-Karabakh is a self-proclaimed independent state. It doesn't just include the old former Soviet territory of Nagorno-Karabakh. It also includes several Azeri provinces from which the population were forcibly expelled. The Azeris themselves are very bellicose about this. There is a ceasefire, there is a peace process of some kind, but the Azeris are known to warn that they would use force if necessary to reclaim their lost territories. Now, we don't know if this is just a regular run-of-the-mill occurrence, as I say, another spot of tension on the ceasefire line, or whether this is anything more serious. But obviously we'll be keeping you fully updated with the information and the events as they happen.
Indeed we will. For now, William Dunbar in Yerevan, Armenia. Thanks for that update.